में से एक ऑडिशन मेरा गुलजार साहब ने देखा। एक मैंने टैल्कम पाउडर का ऐड किया था, तो मुझे वो ऐड नहीं मिला. And then I get a call from Gulzar Saab, and Meghna was producing, his daughter was producing this music video, and Gulzar Saab was going to direct it. And उनको वो video बहुत अच्छा लगा, मेरा audition बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Hi friends and a very warm welcome to Celebrity Chit Chat. दोस्तों आज मेरे साथ यहाँ पर एक ऐसी शख्सियत मौजूद है who is a superstar model and also a leading actor in the Bollywood industry. Well, I have with me Chitrangada Singh. Hi Chitrangada.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing? आप कैसे हो?
I'm good.
Thanks so much for connecting with us over here. It's an absolute pleasure to have you over here. And let me just start off this chat by asking you, how has the lockdown been treating you as a person? It's been 4 months of sitting back home. Work comes to a standstill, and of course, life is also seems to be coming to a standstill.
Well, of course, it's not like how normal was. I mean, this new normal, everybody's saying, let's get used to it. लेकिन इतना आसान नहीं है, कहना एक चीज होती है. But every single day, I think what keeps you going is when you see other people and what they are like. A lot of people are going through so much more difficult times, and चाहे वो financially है या फिर mentally, or people are losing their jobs and things like that. When you read those kind of things across the world, people have lost their loved ones. So somewhere you tend to count your blessings and sort of talk to yourself and कि मतलब इतना बुरा वक्त नहीं है. So somewhere there's all that philosophical kind of conversation also going on at times, and at other times I just try to keep myself busy. Kuch na kuch is like the project of the day. Like today I have to do this, so I make a list of things that I have to do before I go to bed. Like my phone has these notes, in my notes every day there's something or the other. या तो फिर मेरा वर्कआउट शेड्यूल क्या होगा, या फिर मुझे क्या what do I have to read or something or the other, or the films that I have to watch or something. So there's a whole list of things, just to keep yourself sane, just to say कि अच्छा आज today this is what I'm going to do. So that's the best you can do, so
you just said, आपने अभी बोला कि there's something that you do to keep yourself busy, and normally you put on to-dos and reminders and notes, you make pointers हर रात को. So give us a sneak peek into what exactly do you do in your day these days. Have you explored any new passions or hobbies?
Well, it's not it's not like I've suddenly come up with something new. It's what I've always been interested in. It's not a new hobby. लेकिन हाँ, जो मैंने एक चीज अभी शुरू करी है, that is horse riding. So हमारे फ्रेंड हैं जिनके कुछ यहाँ पर we are very lucky कि उनके स्टेबल्स यहाँ पर हैं, उनके घोड़े यहाँ पर हैं. And polo season शुरू होएगा September, October में, and hopefully it should open up by then, and October तक शायद. So he's working his polo horses, and I have been lucky enough to be around and request him. So मैंने थोड़ी horse riding शुरू करी है. That's the one thing that I can say is the new thing that I've tried. Otherwise I'm sketching, reading books. I also write. So मैंने एक short film लिखी है जो पहले halfway होकर रुकी हुई थी. I hadn't finished it. उसके कुछ dialogues बाकी थे, तो मैंने वो short film finish करी है. And just been watching a lot of series. The Office is my favorite right now. So yeah, that's like every night I have to watch for at least 2 hours The Office. Yeah.
How did modeling and then Bollywood and acting come inside you as a desire?
I was playing a little bit of sports, लेकिन कभी like my brother became a professional golfer, लेकिन मुझे कभी ऐसा, I don't know, I didn't have that kind of love for sport, It was interesting, but ऐसा नहीं है कि धूप में, जाके you are standing there and you're playing a sport. But I was always very fond of dancing and acting, and I was in every single annual day, every single, I think, theater, like a play that we had in school. मैं हमेशा हर एक उस तरह के, activities have always excited me. So, I think it was very natural for me. Like होता ना बचपन से आप. So I still remember when I was very young, I used to shut the door क्योंकि मेरा भाई, obviously we used to share the room, तो मुझे दरवाजा बंद करना पड़ता था to just dance, I would just stand in front of the mirror and I would just put music and I would dance. I'm saying like when I was in 3rd class, 4th class. So yeah, I mean, ever since then, I think I've always been very interested. तो धीरे-धीरे जैसे कॉलेज में चांस मिला मॉडलिंग का, तो I think I just slowly started to find my feet there. And
the transition to Bollywood, who
Yeah.
कैसे हुआ? How did that all fall into perspective at that time?
Well, I've said this so many times, लेकिन so I was modeling in college and मुझे कुछ modeling assignments मिले, फिर मैंने कुछ auditions दिए, उनमें से एक audition मेरा गुलजार साहब ने देखा, एक मैंने talcum powder का ad किया था, तो मुझे वो ad नहीं मिला. Okay, I won't say why I didn't get it, but so I didn't get the ad, and I was heartbroken because it was down to 2 girls, you know. So I was like, "Kya hai? There's that." You know, that guy I still remember. I was really heartbroken because it was a big brand. And then I get a call from Gulzar Saab, right, his office, and Meghna was producing. His daughter was producing this music video, and Gulzar Saab was going to direct it. And उनको वो video बहुत अच्छा लगा, मेरा audition बहुत अच्छा लगा. So मुझे वो music video मिला. कच्चे रंग was the name of the song, and संजय सूरी मेरे साथ थे उसमें. And वो जो म्यूजिक वीडियो था somehow स्वानंद किरकिरे जो उस समय सुधीर मिश्रा के I think second AD थे, तो वो उन्होंने देखा. So when he had come to Delhi to audition for हजारों ख्वाहिशें, and गीता राव के कैरेक्टर के लिए मतलब वो ढूंढ रहे थे एक्ट्रेस, तो उनको किसी ने ये सॉन्ग दिखाया, तो फिर मुझे कॉल आया इस ऑडिशन के लिए, हजारों ख्वाहिशें के लिए. एंड पहले आई बिलीव सुधीर ने कहा कि मॉडल नहीं करना है ऑडिशन, तो इसको मत बुलाओ. सुधीर मिश्रा hadn't come in, he was still in Bombay, सिर्फ स्वानंद आए थे. तो मुझे बाद में बताया कि उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, सिर्फ जो NSD एक्टर्स हैं, थिएटर एक्टर्स हैं, सिर्फ उन्हें आप ऑडिशन करो, मॉडल्स को नहीं करना है स्पेसिफिकली. एंड आई हैड नो बैकग्राउंड, मैं मॉडलिंग से ये सिर्फ एक म्यूजिक वीडियो किया था. बट ही लाइक्ड इट एंड आई हैव टू थैंक स्वानंद फॉर दिस, क्योंकि उसका बिलीफ था कि उसने बोला नहीं नहीं, ये लड़की को करना चाहिए हमको ऑडिशन. सो दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट दैट ऑडिशन. एंड that's how it happened.
After that,
yes.
And there is no looking back. हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी, आई भी और मैं, Desi Boys, मतलब one after the other, things just kept happening. But we also know you took a sabbatical in between, like in 2005 to 2008. Was that like a thought out decision, a conscious choice to अपने लिए, कि was it just that it happened and you let it be उस समय वहाँ पर?
Actually हमने फिल्म खत्म करी थी 2002 में. The film released much later. So yeah, that I had my own family concerns at that time, because of which I thought कि मुझे family पे ध्यान देना है, and I did not think that being in Bombay would help, you know. So that's the reason why I decided कि मुझे I should concentrate on the family at that time, you know, and that's the reason why I took time off. And time off नहीं था उस समय, तो ये सोचा था कि I will never act again. Honestly, I didn't think of coming back. I changed my phone number क्योंकि बहुत phones आ रहे थे, हर किस्म की बातें कहीं जा रही थी उस समय कि क्यों छोड़ के गई है. So there was a bit of a stress at that point. And so yeah, I mean, it's not something that I thought कि ऐसा मैं करूँगी या मैं acting नहीं करूँगी और मैं छोड़ दूँगी. ऐसा कुछ हुआ that I had to, you know, take time off. And I guess then there's destiny, you know, you come back and then you come back somehow or the other.
But we also know you took a sabbatical in between, like in 2005 to 2008. Was that like a thought out decision, a conscious choice to अपने लिए, कि was it just that it happened and you let it be उस समय वहाँ पर?
Actually हमने फिल्म खत्म करी थी 2002 में. The film released much later. So yeah, that I had my own family concerns at that time, because of which I thought कि मुझे family पे ध्यान देना है, and I did not think that being in Bombay would help, you know. So that's the reason why I decided कि मुझे I should concentrate on the family at that time, you know, and that's the reason why I took time off. And time off नहीं था उस समय, तो ये सोचा था कि I will never act again. Honestly, I didn't think of coming back. I changed my phone number क्योंकि बहुत phones आ रहे थे, हर किस्म की बातें कहीं जा रही थी उस समय कि क्यों छोड़ के गई है. So there was a bit of a stress at that point. And so yeah, I mean, it's not something that I thought कि ऐसा मैं करूंगी या मैं एक्टिंग नहीं करूंगी और मैं छोड़ दूंगी. ऐसा कुछ हुआ that I had to take time off, and I guess then there's destiny, you come back and then you come back somehow or the other. So
And I'm
yeah.
sure आपके लिए coming back since 2008 has only been a very beautiful journey. Internally, I'm sure आप खुद को बहुत as an actor भी fulfill feel करती होंगी, because since 2008 जब से आप वापस आएगी after the sabbatical also, you actually have only climbed higher and higher in terms of exploring different characters, different filmmakers, different actors, working with them, coming out with some blockbuster movies. So I'm sure the whole thought process and the feeling of coming back today is something that you would cherish internally. It's good that I actually came back.
Absolutely. Matlab, when I came back, I realized how much I missed it. And how much ऐसा होता है ना कि आपको पता नहीं है कि ये कितना बड़ा एक sort of space in your life it's filling up till the time you come back and you really feel complete, that this is matlab pressing all the right buttons in your head, everything is like how it should be. So yeah, I mean coming back really felt like that. And उसके आगे भी I think as and when काम आता रहा मैं करती रही, plus I had to also balance with my family, so I was back and forth between two cities. So एक तरह का वो balancing act, being on the rope was something that I always had to do, and I don't regret that at all. I think I've been very lucky कि मुझे I've been able to enjoy my work, my life as well, and there has been a good balance that has sort of kept me sane here, which for me is very important, to keep myself sort of एक कहते हैं ना even keel में, वो for me is very important too, as a person. So yeah, it's been good. I mean, I have no regrets at all. Yes.
Oh, that's a beautiful feeling. Actually, it's a very good thing कि अगर आप अंदर से internally blessed and somewhere full of feel करते हैं ना, when you do something that you love and it blesses you with a feeling of balance and peace inside, then I think that's just two dots forming the perfect line and combination in that.
It's not that simple, let me tell you. Matlab, you go through, I'm also talking to a lot of women out there जो शायद ये इंटरव्यू देखेंगे कि ऐसा लगता है कि you are losing out on something, you're missing out on something. अरे I'm not going to be that successful. Oh, this. But honestly, when you sit back, it really doesn't make one project gone or two gone and one came and you made a mark with that one. In the end, it really has a lot to do with what your family is and how you feel that you managed your personal life as well. I mean, at least as a woman, I feel, somewhere for me, that is a huge satisfaction कि वो भी manage किया, I mean, we women are different, right? We are not like men.
100%.
We are not like men का तो बहुत ही like cut and dry. It's like अच्छा ये box है, ये box इधर करो, अभी ये box है. So we are like this, like how cats are like a big ball of wool and everything together. So
I'm just so glad you put it up so out there so beautifully, and it couldn't have been said in any more better words जैसे आपने बात कही. But tell me one thing, I really want to ask you, in this long-standing career of yours, I'm sure you would be having a lot of good, beautiful memories and moments. It will be difficult, but still I want you कि आपको एक ऐसी memory अपने काम की जिंदगी से हमारे साथ आज share करें that you hold very close to your heart, and also tell us why is it so close to your heart. A beautiful memory that you have with one of your working moments.
I mean, there are many, लेकिन जो मुझे also because it's very important to me is my first film. और जो मेरी first film का premiere हुआ था, the first screening हुई थी. Actually not premiere, sorry, the screening, जिसमें सुधीर के सारे जो directors हैं, colleagues हैं, friends हैं, तो मेरे लिए वो पहली बार मैं इतने सारे इंडस्ट्री के लोगों को मिल रही थी. मैं इतने लोगों को कभी देखा नहीं था. तो मेरे को पहली बार मैं खुद को स्क्रीन पे देख रही थी, बड़े स्क्रीन पे देख रही थी, क्योंकि इससे पहले एडिटिंग रूम में थोड़ा बहुत हमने जो पैच वर्क किया था अपना डबिंग का, सिर्फ वो था. So this is the first time that I saw myself like on such a big screen and everything, and I came out and I remember, so screening के बाद सब लोग बात करने लगते हैं एक दूसरे से ये वो, तो क्योंकि मैं किसी को जानती नहीं थी, so I was kind of standing alone with my manager, of course. So I was looking at everybody's faces कि अभी क्या होगा, like what are they going to say. So the kind of things that got told, जैसे जैसे लोगों ने मुझे सराहाया और compliments दिए, I remember very clearly केतन मेहता जी, जो कि स्मिता पाटिल जी के साथ बहुत सारी फिल्में बना चुके थे, एंड तो वो मेरे पास आए और वो काफी देर से मुझे देख रहे थे. I remember across the room he was looking at me and I was a little kind of scared. I was like, he's been looking at me for a while, and then he walked up to me and he just like, he has a way of saying it, you know, Ketan ji. He kept looking at me and he said, you know, you are rare. And for me it was like, oh my god. And he had tears in his eyes because he said, you reminded me of Smita today. And he walked off. Like, he just said that much, and like, he didn't take matlab bahut lambi chaudi baat nahi, and that's it. And then he just, and I was like, oh my god. And Shekhar Kapoor was there, and even he had some amazing things to say. I met Nasir Saab. I mean, all these people, you know, and like, for me, that has been like the most memorable day of my life. It's almost like this girl who nobody knew went in for the screening. And I remember when I came back home in my room and I was like, there were all these people. And the kind of things they were saying, you know, this is what they said. And I was like on the phone with my mother, like, ye bola, ye bola. And my mother is a huge fan of Smita ji, and, you know, Mirch Masala and what Ketan's work is. For her, it was like a huge deal, you know. So that has been like a very, like, most memorable day for me.
It's been an absolute pleasure, honestly, speaking with you.
Thank you.
And we wish you that you stay safe, you stay healthy. And we are hoping to see you back on the silver screen, back again very soon. And hoping, keeping fingers crossed, the economy opens up.
Absolutely, yeah. I wish you all the same. I hope everybody's safe and keep sane and keep safe.